Boom Pals app. Just picked up the Ryobi cordless chainsaw. It's a 40 volt lithium ion battery. It's gas-like power. We'll put that to the test and see what it can do. Here is the battery and its charger. It comes only with a partial charge. You have to put it in there. It took about an hour for it to charge up. These little lights here will show that it's fully charged. As it's charging, these light up sequentially until it's complete. If something wrong, it turns red. If you put this on here when it's hot, it's okay to do that. It just won't charge it until it's cooled down. Same thing if it's too cold, it won't charge until it warms up to a temperature that's I guess good for the lithium ion batteries, charging potential, blah blah blah. We'll take it and hook it up and go.
Yes. All right, it's going.
Stand by.
You want me to stop it? Get the fence!
Get it?
Yes.
Alright, you just take the battery and slide it into position. It locks into place. The chainsaw itself is pretty easy. This has to be depressed before you can pull the trigger. Make sure you remove the protector. And just saw some with it. Here we go. These trees are a little bit too big for this chainsaw, but it did the job. It's only a 14-inch, so I had to really manipulate it and get creative. So what I'll try and do to test it is we'll start sawing on this part right here, which I have a couple saws that have been made, some lines have been made. So I'll saw, record it, and we'll see how long that battery lasts. It's not just like a gas chainsaw, but it does give a few good slices before it quits. These are dead trees that we had to get rid of. Alright, we started, and we'll see about how long this takes.
You won't break it.
I don't think so. Yep, still side angle. I don't want it pinching the chain.
This is not too late. good.
Yeah, that's a really thick log. Alrighty.
Can you kick it over or something?
Huh? What did you say?
Stupid bugs. Can you kick it over?
No, not yet. I gotta relieve some of that weight on there.
Scared it's gonna fall on you.
Long piece.
The bugs are terrible.
It's not long enough to go through this piece. Start. Okay.
Just get ready to jump out of the way if it starts falling. Whoa! See?
Now I might be able to kick it over. Ah.
Come on. There you
now
go.
it won't fall on our kids. Let's see if I can complete this. That's a lot of cutting. Those are thick,
Yep.
thick areas.
It's like butter.
Ah,
Is it going out?
it gave up on me after that last one. Once it, like a lot of these lithium ion battery devices, when it reaches a certain point of, it's not even registering. When it reaches a certain point, it shuts it down. Battery's hot. It probably let it cool down. It'll probably work a little bit longer. I'm saying 2 little blips. Maybe it's just too hot. Nope, completely stopped. So we're gonna throw it on the charger, and with 2 full slices, the log is bigger than the chain itself. It worked a little hard out, but
hey, we took care of this tree with this thing.
yeah. Overall, it won't do a whole job in one sitting. You have to sit there and recharge it. About every hour and a half, you come back outside.
Alright. Your village called. Their idiot is missing.
And even though it says 2 blips, almost 3, it's not starting. So we'll throw it back on the charger. And it's not going to start until it cools down. So it'll blink like that until it cools down, then we'll charge. Another hour and a half and go out and do the same amount of stuff. Okay, overall I think it'd be good for small jobs, bunch of small trees, nothing that big. However, if you're hard-headed like me, sure, go ahead and buy one. Be ready for either buy a bunch of extra batteries or a lot of waiting time. So little jobs, great thing. It does not have gas-like power. Well, it does have gas-like power, just not like longevity. Okay. Okay, cool. Well, whatever. Boom, pals, that, like, subscribe, comment.